Hey there everyone, Erica here from Howdy49RC. Happy New Year! It's pretty crazy, it's 2023 already, and with a new year comes brand new paper on the workbench. Get a clean start for the new year. As you can see, I've got my motor case in the back behind me, which probably tells you what we're doing today. We are doing a motor rebuild. Aw yeah. Today I'm going to be rebuilding this Trinity Speed Gems 2 Diamond motor. It's a 12-turn double. Overall, pretty clean. The can doesn't look too bad, the sticker's in nice condition. The end bell's a little dirty, gotta admit it's a little bit dirty. The brushes look okay, looks like they've been replaced relatively recently. Just gonna have to clean up some of the solder joints and stuff, looks like there's some leftover wiring bits that were soldered on. Other than that though, looks really good. I can't quite see the comm because of this end bell style, but hopefully it's in good condition like the rest of the motor. I can't quite see, but I'm gonna have to cross my fingers and hope it's good until we tear this thing apart and take a look. Well, with that, should we jump right in? I think that's probably a good idea. I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot of talking today because I've got a bit of a cough, but I'll put some music on for you guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. I did not realize this when I started, but this motor actually has dual shunt brushes installed on it. What that means is each brush has 2 braided wires going to it, which means that it can carry twice as much current between your brush hood and your motor commutator than with a single shunt. In addition, these brushes look to be brand spanking new, which is absolutely amazing. I don't actually have dual shunt brushes on any of my motors right now, so this is actually really cool. This comm has absolutely seen better days, unfortunately. On the right hand side, you can see that there's a pretty large lip, and in the center it's sunken down. That's where the brush is riding. You can also see that a couple of the segments have some pretty sizable chips in them, which is not great. However, I should be able to turn this and get a little bit more life out of it. And there you have it. The Trinity Speed Gems 2 Diamond motor, 12-turn double, has been fully rebuilt. Turned out pretty good. The comm is definitely on its last leg though. I can probably only turn it once or twice, maybe more, before it's going to be completely toast. One of these days I want to try and actually solder on more copper to a commutator. I don't know if that's going to work or not. It's probably going to end up in carnage because it's probably going to come off. It's going to grenade inside the motor and create some cool carnage for you guys to see. So I might try that. It might be an interesting experiment. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with it. I spent a lot of time cleaning the end bell because it was filthy. I mean, white gets filthy, so like, what are you gonna do, right? The brushes were practically brand new. As I mentioned before, they're dual shunt, which is really neat. I don't have dual shunt brushes on any of my other motors, so that's really awesome. Overall, I'm happy with it. It doesn't visually look super clean just because it's white and white attracts dirt, but it's fully rebuilt, it's ready to go, comm is turned, brushes are new, ready to be put in whatever rig I decide. So, with that, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If this does happen to be the first video that you have seen by me, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button down below, follow me on Instagram at Howdy49_RC, support me on Patreon, join my Discord server, and become a member too if you can. That would all be greatly, greatly appreciated. With that, guys, I think that's all I've got to say. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.